Welcome back to Ride Vibes. Today, when it comes to farming, reliability isn't just a preference, it's a necessity. And few names resonate with farmers as strongly as John Deere. In 2025, John Deere continues to uphold its legacy with the powerful and efficient 5050D, a tractor built to tackle every challenge the modern farmer faces. Whether it's heavy-duty fieldwork or everyday hauling, the 5050D stands out for its balance of power, fuel efficiency, and ease of use. Let's dive deep into why this tractor is one of the most trusted workhorses in its class. At the core of the John Deere 5050D is a 3-cylinder, 2,900cc, 50 HP engine. Built for durability, this powerhouse delivers exceptional performance, even under extreme conditions. Whether you're tilling dry soil or hauling heavy loads, the engine maintains consistent torque output, minimizing power loss. It's not just about power, it's about how efficiently that power is used. The 5050D is known for its fuel economy, which helps reduce running costs without compromising performance. This means you spend more time in the field and less time at the fuel station. The transmission system is where John Deere has truly optimized control. With 8 forward and 4 reverse gears, the tractor offers the flexibility to adapt to different tasks. Need precision for planting? Shift down for lower speeds. Need to haul heavy loads quickly? Shift up and get moving. This precise control helps minimize slippage and maximizes traction on all terrains, from soft fields to rough farm roads. No tractor is complete without a reliable hydraulic system, and the 5050D doesn't disappoint. With a lifting capacity of 1,600 kg, it can handle heavy-duty implements effortlessly. Whether it's a cultivator, plow, harrow, or loader, the 5050D makes quick work of tough tasks. Quick attach and detach points make it convenient to swap implements, saving time during busy farming seasons. The power takeoff PTO is where this tractor truly proves its versatility. Running at 540 RPM with an optional multi-speed PTO, it powers a variety of implements, from water pumps to threshers and rotavators. Whether it's irrigation or post-harvest processing, the 5050D handles it all with ease. A tractor is only as good as its build quality, and John Deere has built the 5050D to last. The heavy-duty chassis is designed to handle rugged terrain, while the large, sturdy tires provide exceptional grip and reduce slippage. Even in wet and challenging conditions, the 5050D stays stable and keeps pushing forward. This reliability translates to fewer breakdowns and more productivity during critical farming periods. Farming often means long hours, and John Deere understands the importance of operator comfort. The 5050D's ergonomically designed seat, adjustable steering wheel, and well-placed controls ensure minimal fatigue, even during extended workdays. Good visibility and reduced vibration levels make it ideal for multi-hour operations, helping farmers stay focused on the task at hand. Routine maintenance can often be a time-consuming chore, but the 2025 John Deere 5050D is built for convenience. With easy access to service points for oil, air filters, and coolant checks, daily maintenance is quick and hassle-free. Plus, with John Deere's extensive service network, getting genuine parts or professional assistance is never far away. This ensures maximum uptime and minimum repair worries. A good tractor is more than just a machine, it's an investment. The 5050D holds its resale value exceptionally well, thanks to its durability and brand trust. Whether you plan to use it for decades or trade up in a few years, this tractor offers great value for money. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting your agricultural journey, the 2025 John Deere 5050D is built to be your reliable work partner. From power to precision, it's a machine that delivers on every promise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Vibes for more content on the latest farming equipment. Until next time, keep riding the vibes.